88/27. Okay, so we have a target IP octet. Well, let's begin with our CIDR, /27. So if you go to your cheat sheet and you match the corresponding CIDR to a /27, that puts you on the column where you have 32 as your first row. So with that, you know your CIDR, you can go ahead and fill in the group size. You have a 32, the group size, which corresponds to the number of IP addresses. Now we know we take out the first, or take out 2 IP addresses, which are the network and the broadcast. So we do, leaves us with 30 usable addresses. Still on the same column, of 32, our subnet mask corresponding to that is a 224. Corresponding to a /27 is 224, and we know we're dealing with the 4th octet. So we have 255.255.255.224. So that takes care of the last 3 attributes: the number of IP addresses, number of usable IP addresses, and the CIDR subnet. Now we know we're going from, or our group size is 32, so we'll go in increments of our group size. So we'll go 0, 32, 64, 96. Okay, and we know our target IP octet is 88. So at 96, we've already gone past that target IP octet, so we can stop right there. And with that, we can have our next network as 10.2.2.96. So we know that is the next subnet. That is where the next subnet starts. So we have our next network as 10.2.2.96. From there, we know we can find our broadcast IP. Our broadcast IP is 1 IP less than the next network. So it's 10.2.2.95. And from the increment of the group sizes, from the increments of the group size, we had 64 before we had 96, and our target IP octet falls within that range. So we know our network ID begins at 64. So we have 10.2.2.64. And from there, we could find our first host, which is 1 host plus the network, or 1 plus the network ID, which is plus 1 here, we get a 65. So we get 10.2.2.65. And the last host is the broadcast IP minus 1. So that gives us 10.2.2.90.